Hello, our project proposal is neBook. We are Voice to Calling's team at neBook, and we are creating an audio ebook platform. Our team members are Hannah, Minchar, Humaksu, Sam, and Jaden. Take a look at these numbers. What do you think they represent? This is the ratio of students to textbook in Tanzania that our seniors talked about earlier today. There is only one textbook per 90 students. Then what are these numbers? This is the student to teacher ratio in Tanzania. As you can see, this poor educational environment destroys the motivation to study.
We chose to use ebooks to distribute a lot of books to Tanzanian students. The students from Dolphin Smart Daycare Center in Arusha, Tanzania are the target audience for reading our ebooks. At this school, students are already being educated with 4 tablets that we sent to them. Because of this, they are qualified to test our ebooks. There were some difficulties that we faced when planning to provide Dolphin's Daycare with our ebooks. First is that internet is expensive. Second is that the students lack a motivation to study. And last, they cannot easily read English.
According to our research, as of 2021, more than 50 million people are using smartphones. Those who currently have difficulty using the internet can use mobile data to solve those difficulties. To make people want to read the books, we pick and upload fun books and edit them again to make them easier to read. The Tanzanian children speak Swahili and are not good at reading English books. Therefore, we decided to read the books ourselves. We made a system where the books are read by humans, not AI. This allows for both the reader and the listener to read the book. Anyone in the world can volunteer to read these books to children in developing countries. This is an example of how you can choose your narrator.
Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits.
And their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter.
Our final goal is to help Tanzanian children become readers. By having Tanzanian children record themselves reading books, it will localize any book further.
Our future plans include first, the need to collect more data, more specifically, more books and more voices. Second, we need to create a voice recording and editing system that readers can easily use. The system will highlight the parts that are being dictated and will have features like pausing, playing, skipping, and more. Lastly, we need to ensure that the app is sustainable. We can add some features of SNS to facilitate interaction between users and also create a reward system that gives points to people who do many, which will allow users to read books for more time and continue to read.
Our final goal with any book is that we hope to inspire the dreams of the next generation. Children in developing countries will receive books from any book and read them. It may be difficult at first, but we think it's a beautiful struggle. We want them to not only gain knowledge from books, but also to influence their lives. They will become more curious about the world they live in, and that curiosity will give hope to the children who lack motivation. Ultimately, it is our plan to help them innovate and grow for the better. Thank you for listening to our presentation. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. Thank you.